Hello dear students, I am your English teacher Anindita ma'am. So let's start our today's English grammar class, okay? So students, in our last class we finished chapter 2, okay, page number 10. And in today's class we start chapter 3, okay, noun number. So read the following sentences. Camel is called the sheep of the desert. Camels are called the sheep of the desert. The woman carried a baby. The woman carried babies. The child is carrying a toy. The children are carrying toys. So in the above mentioned sentences, the nouns camel, sheep, woman, baby, child and toy stand for only one person, animal or thing. Okay, so these nouns camel, woman, child, toy, baby are stand for one person, animal or thing. So they are therefore said to be the singular number. So they are called singular number. When a noun is stand for one person or animal or thing, they are called singular number. Okay. So the nouns camels, sheep, women, babies, children and toys stand for more than one person, animal or things. They are therefore said to be the in the plural number. So when a noun stand for more than one person, animal or thing, so they are called the plural number. When we talk about one person, animal, place or thing, we use singular noun, okay? And when we talk about two or more people, animals, places or things, we use plural noun. So making plural, okay, how we make a noun singular to plural. Most nouns form their plural by adding s to the singular, okay. So most nouns we make singular to plural by add s. Singular plural. Cow, cows. See, we add s in the end of the cow and make it plural, okay. Table, tables. Dog, dogs. Bag, bags. Now number 2, nouns ending with s, double s, ch, sh or x make their plural by adding es, okay. So when a noun end with these letters, okay, s, double s, ch, sh, x, so when we make the singular to plural, we use es, okay. See, branch, 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 here is the end with ch, so we add branch es, okay. We add es in the ending of the word. Glass, 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 so we add es, glass, box, 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 so we add es, box, es, okay. Now number 3, when the last letter of a noun ends with a y, we make it plural by changing the y into I and adding es, okay. So here is singular baby, 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 see the end is y, so we add in y's place I and adding es, okay. Now next to the go to the next page. Here is more examples, okay, in singular and plural. You learn all this and go to the next page, the exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by changing their subjects from plural to singular. The first one has been done for you. So here is a sentence in plural number, so you change it in singular number, okay. Number A, the man saw sheep in the fields. So the singular number is the man saw sheep in the field. Number B, the wives of the army men organized the party themselves. So the singular number is the wife of the army man organized the party herself. Number C, the monkeys and the parrots were sitting on the branches of the trees. So the singular form is the monkey and the parrot were sitting on the branch of the tree. Now number 3, change the following sentences from plural to singular. The first one has been done for you. So number A, these boys are not doing well. So the singular form is these boy is not doing well. Number B, these dolls look very beautiful. See, here is dolls, plural form. That's why we write these, T-H-E-S-E. These is plural form, okay? And T-H-I-S, this is singular form. So these doll look very beautiful. So these are the exercise question answers. You write in your English grammar book and send it to my WhatsApp number, okay student? So in our next class we start our revisions, okay? So this is for today's class, and thanks for the class. Bye bye.